Is what is known as the Bulloch, and one of the four beasts that are associated with Revelation 4:6 as one of the four beasts that appear on the end of the Ark of the Covenant. And we have already discussed that the Bulloch could be represented as an oxen. And on the other end of the Ark of the Covenant, even though they appear to be identical in nature, they are not. So one could be a bullock and one could be an oxen. There isn't much of a difference between the two, but there is a difference. And in order that you can see that this has the appearance of an oxen or a bullock, I'm going to place an oxen or a bullock on the screen and turn it in the same type of directions I was just turning the folded end of the $1 bill. So this, with the horns, is in fact a representation of a bullock, and when you are looking at the bill this way, the horns actually face downwards of the end of the Ark of the Covenant of the $1 bill, which the Ark of the Covenant, as we all know at this point, is replicated to exact detail on the reverse of the $1 bill. And this is part of a series that I'm going to present to you of dissertations in regards to different segments of my book, aka Angels on the Ark by Michael Fazio, and some of the 3,300 pictographs that appear on the reverse and obverse of the $1 bill. These, of course, we went over yesterday, are representations of the face of the Egyptian Pharaoh. And we discussed how and why that is the case in part number 10. So, one more thing that I would like to discuss with you before I move on to the next pictograph is that when you invert this picture, and this being the face of the Egyptian Pharaoh to the right and to the left, this is one face, this is one face immediately to the left of the screen. This is one face, and the face is pointing upwards. And this is another face, and the face is pointing at a 45-degree angle upwards. Similar to this. One is facing upwards this way, and one is facing upwards this way. Now, when we turn this over 90 degrees, it looks like the faces disappear. However, there is a third face that we talked about briefly yesterday, and this third face is the face that appears at the edge facing this way. Now, you can't see it so well until you blow it up. That's no good. I think we have to start that.